In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and view your watch history right here on YouTube. Alright, so if there was a video that you were previously watching that you might not be able to finish, or you just want to see that video again, your watch history will show you exactly what videos you previously watched. Alright, so this is going to be real quick. Alright, just make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account. Alright, and right on this left side here. Okay, and in case this side isn't minimized, alright, if it might look like this, you just have to click on these three dots right here, and the navigation will open up on this left side, and you're going to go right down here and click on history. So once you're on the screen right here, it's literally going to show you every single video that you watched, and it'll be marked by the dates. All right, so for example, right on the top it will be today, and then if you scroll down, it'll show you literally every single video that you watch for the day, for the week, for the month, etc. All right, and there's also a search tab right up in here. So if you put in a certain keyword, because you know what video you're specifically looking for, you can put in a keyword right here and it'll bring it up right here in the search, which will make it a little easier than scrolling through every single video one by one. All right, so I want to keep this video real short. All right, and that's a simple way of finding your watch history here on YouTube. So if you got any type of value from the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.